All good to have you back for another video of How to Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the menu language on an Audi A4 2016 model. I had an inquiry for a customer. He wanted to change the menu language. He asked me to do it for him, so I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I'm going to mention our YouTube channel. It's How to Reset My Car. We'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Help us by liking our videos. If you don't like our videos, let me know why you don't like my videos, and I'll work on it and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. We have this menu in English and I'm going to show you I can turn it to another language. First of all, we have to go to the menu area. It's this one. Press the menu button over here. Once you did this, you can scroll with the wheel to settings, press it, and as you can see, this is an easy one. Press it again and choose any language you want. Let's say Dutch. Once you've done that, it takes a few seconds to change the language, and the menu language has been changed to another language. That was it for today. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time with another video. Bye bye.